rocking the new Yeezys. She's mad cute, mad cool. Mug, it's so fall. So this is my breakfast. I got raspberries, some seaweed salad, and some coffee. And also while I'm eating, I'm gonna start getting ready my face because me and my mom are gonna go shopping soon since I'm back for fall break. Sorry for my voice, I'm kind of sick right now. That's also why I'm not drinking an iced coffee, because if y'all know me, I'm only drinking iced coffees. Iced lattes to be specific. But since I'm sick, I don't want to kill myself. So I'm gonna be nice to my body and drink warm drinks. So you guys know how much I love candles, and candles just can make your room go from like chill to super cozy all at once and just make the environment and the aura so much better. So I wanted to show you guys this really great company, Vellabox, and they send you monthly subscription candles. Monthly! I'm sorry, I'm like monthly! I'm here to show you guys them right now. It's Vellabox. And they sent me the fall candles, which I'm so excited to light right now. I just love having candles in the morning. Like, this is definitely not like a school morning routine, 100% not. This is like a nice chill fall like weekend morning routine. So Vellabox is so cool. Their website is so great. They're an artisan candle makers from San Diego. Let's see how cute. Oh my god, okay. Ah! So here it says, adopt the pace of nature. As an ecologist, love that. Her secret is patience. Oh my god. And look, they have like little candle holders that are like little pine trees. Oh my god. Oh, and they give you 2 teas. That's so sweet. This is an Earl Grey tea. Love that. Definitely gonna have some tea later today. It says, featured favorites, the Banter and Bliss Candle Co., local San Pedro, California candle. And it says what the candles are made up of. And bamboo citron. Ooh, bamboo citron sounds nice. And they said the bonus gift is the Earl Grey tea. And it says stuff about the tea, which is so sweet. I'm sorry, I feel like I sound like Tana Mojo with this raspy voice. Just slowly eating. So let's open these bad boys up. I love this candle holder. Amber and Teak Coconut Wax Blend Hand Poured Luxury Candle. It smells refreshing. It smells woody. Definitely smells woody. Love that. Okay, let's smell the next one. Can you imagine getting like 2 new candles every month? Like how exciting is that? It's in a different cute container. It's in the bamboo citron coconut wax blend, also hand poured luxury candles. And this is like this. Oh, this one smells like an air freshener, but like a cozier air freshener. I love this one too. Okay. You know, I'm gonna go with this one because this one's really woody and like I want to feel like I'm back in my college town because right now I'm in a city and I just need the hiking mountain again. Thank you so much Vellabox for sending me these. They're so freaking cute and they smell so nice. I love them. The link for these monthly subscription boxes will be down below if you're interested. So now I'm just kind of going to be getting ready, eating, watching TV, and all that stuff. Just come chill with me. So since I just came back for fall break to be in the city, I didn't bring all of my makeup down. So all my makeup is in this little cute Victoria's Secret pouch. Oh my god, my whole family just came home. And my nephew. Oh boy. This palette is so fall to me, love it. I love this shade. Like it's just nice, it's like an all over shade. I can't believe I didn't do my eyebrows at all today. I really was lazy. I just got so lazy. I was like, no, thank you. I'm getting the coffee in me. How pretty she is. So pretty. I'm just gonna put on this YSL nude. My really chill fall makeup look. So also with the Vellabox candles, offer 3 monthly subscription. You could either choose 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So there are 3 different boxes. All of their candles are high quality, non-toxic, lead-free, and hand-poured. And each month has its own theme, so all the packaging is like based on the month and the season, which is the most fun. Oh, and for the special gift, they partner with different lifestyle brands each month, which is like how they choose the special gift. And I have a coupon code for you guys for $5 off. Jennifer5 off. It'll be right here if you want to get $5 off your cart total. Oh, it smells so woody and like a forest. It's just so fall. Like I just love it. Also guys, if you want a good fall read, these 2 books are amazing. How to Hang a Witch, so good. You saw me read this in the summer, but I wish I read it in fall because it's the perfect fall book. And also Haunting the Deep. This is the sequel to this book. So good, you guys should totally read these. Just, you know, good fall suggestions, good scary reads. So this is what I'm wearing. It's just super cash, super laid back, and it has like a little tying thing at the bottom, and it's just this nice little fall material, but it's still like it's still good for warm weather. Cute little watch of mine. It has like a world map on it, and it's super small, and I'm wearing this little red ring which helps with the fall spirit too. Myself in Cashmere Glow. Alright, thank you guys for watching my cozy fall morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys felt the vibes, the cute little fall vibes that I love to feel. And let me know if you want one of those routines in my apartment in college. And apartment tour will be coming soon. We're finally like basically done with decorating, so exciting! Hold up, like I don't hate them with this look right now. Could it be that person? Maybe I will. Alright, bye guys. See you soon. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. And please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through, we're very, very girly here. So today, I'm like, in my new apartment, I'm just testing out so many different angles, like I just really can't decide. So now I'm testing out this one. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this. And it's so extra because this is like a wedding decoration. Like that's how they're sold on Amazon, as a wedding decoration. I bought them for my room. So a lot of you guys really like when I show you how I edit Instagram photos and show a lot of my Instagram process and stuff. So today